everyone. So I had a lot of people asking me how I got these mermaid beach waves. These curls will last me until I wash my hair again. So I really love that I could just wake up, kind of brush through my hair and walk out the door. So I went ahead and recorded a tutorial on how I created these waves. So go ahead and stay tuned and I'll show you how. So first I'm going to start off by using Redken's Iron Shape 11. So this is going to give me heat protection and hold for my beach wave curls. So I do wear extensions. I have 3 rows of beaded wefts, and so I'm going to start off by curling underneath that first row. So I did split my hair in half, and I'm just going to be working on the left side of my head, and then whenever I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and switch to the right. I've just found out that while wearing extensions, it's a lot of hair to work with, so this has been the easiest way for me to curl my hair. I'm using the 1-inch Samvia Marcel iron, and so as I am working up the hair, I leave that end out, and then once I go to release the curl, I do twist the iron as I work my way down. Now that I'm done curling, I'm going to run Redken's Diamond Oil Glow Dry through the mids and ends. This is just going to gloss up my hair before I spray in Windblown 05. Windblown 05 is a texture spray, so it does have a little bit of a powdery finish, but it's going to fluff up those curls and make them look nice and beachy. So there's my beach wave tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for tuning in.